Right now, the South Fulton community is trying to address crime and public safety. Last night, dozens of people joined law enforcement to bring some solutions to the table. 11 Alive Dawn White was there to tell us what happened and what ideas they came up with.
One of the biggest deterrents to crime is visibility.
But our young men and our youth, why don't we have a program to offer them for a second chance?
Those are just some of the concerns people brought up during this public safety town hall meeting.
So one of the things that we're seeing is an uptick in our juvenile-related crimes.
City of South Fulton Police Chief Keith Meadows says he often sees the same young people getting into trouble.
Myself, along with other members of the police department, have met with the governor's office to talk about some of those challenges with respects to the juvenile point system.
That system suggests a young person with 12 or more points should be arrested. Chief Meadows says the issue is each county calculates points.
If a juvenile knows that he can go in Fulton County and perpetrate crimes, if he doesn't get caught, then he goes to Cobb County, he can go to Clayton County, and in each one of those jurisdictions, the 12 points doesn't accumulate.
It's inhumane, has been so for years.
Leaders also keeping a close eye on where criminals will wind up once they're arrested. Fulton County Sheriff Patrick Labatt believes the jail, built in 1989, is outdated and too small to comfortably house inmates.
We have to build a new facility, right? That jail represents an old way of thinking, just warehousing people. We're in the process of creating an environment where we talk about mental health, we talk about reentry.
Lastly, leaders want to zero in on who they're hiring to keep everyone in line. South Fulton Councilwoman Helen Zenobia Willis plans to introduce a resolution at next Tuesday's City Council meeting banning South Fulton police from hiring an applicant with excessive use of force violations.
We want to ensure that we make sure in our hiring practices that we set a standard for quality and not quantity.